Apparently, I think we've had a good discussion. Number two, and watch matter, for example, demonstration. Equip the police for demonstration. Kakakoro King, probably, you don't have to issue the police mobile the demonstration, live bullets. They mutiogo, kaka pepper spray. Unego bed no one year, wame police pepper spray for demonstration. Rubber bullets, unego bed no one year country, wame police for demonstration. Demonstrations, including things like public address system. When you go into any public address system, my address G, you have to leave the streets within the next 20 minutes, failure to which police will open fire. Manning and communicate with demonstrators. Or demonstrators say, you are only allowed to use Kenyatta Avenue for the next 1 hour. Because communication needs from the authority to control demonstrations. I can't get it elsewhere. We can borrow these things. Because what the demonstration ni chalma chanda wa. Temo me angisi ni onego bedigi gumaruko nonde ko bill mar demonstration. We need to put it parliament nego dio petition. Kapo ntia amendment ko beniti mone to give them the mondo demonstration be regulated. Issue mara kazi kwa mtani. Nduku guma discuss kike simplify into a kazi kwa mtani. Ana discuss milongo ni unemployment. One of the two issues. They belong unemployment. The underemployment. Underemployment and Sharon, any PhD holder, Sharon Yarona teach Marbedo, a journalist, for example, or a broadcaster. To engamonego bensa mitio Ramogi kai kucho pugodi amutu the Ponyo University of Nairobi because you also hold up a PhD. Wawachokama okwawachi ne kazi kwa mtani. Wawachoni unemployment in all sectors. Sechema wakelog milungo na affordable fertilizer. Mani create employment nga matimo agriculture egwenkucha. Sechemitimo moroka tamwache ni kelog affordable housing go. Create employment ni mnani masons. Create employment kazi kwa mtani. Kazi kwa mtani and piecemeal makoshon. Milungo ni social protection. Kata milungo ni sechemoko kwa wacho bakako radiko kindiki iriti mogu milungo ni empowerment programs. That empowerment programs we will be able to discuss with them. Empowerment program, the Moko Mondo quit and handout. Okay, handout. Agisi, even applying for jobs is too expensive. Duaro teach. Niket nakanga to get transport, nakanga to go photocopy, nakanga to the ESCC obedi and help bed. It the documents mangen. Mondo correct apply teaching. Korokara apply for job is costly. Kono nego bendi better access mar pesa mondo gibela tije mantiego ginyalo apply. For example, Sharon sarikal ki create 9 million jobs to wan ge 9 million youths ma dwaro tijego to gionge gi tools mag apply those jobs, it is still useless. Issue mara ginene issue mara ma ili awacho mar budget mar counties. Nduku, to be honest with you, ni things don't just happen like that. Government nigi cumbersome procedures. Pesa kose leo, kokele samo leo. Time mar implementation, tig mane katiba. Mune go bed nikata within 7 days. Okonya bed pesa bira to kono beda issues. Ntie procedures manaka. Those procedures, some of them demand 21 working days, moko 7 working days, moko do ikimangeni. The thing any serikal maduo onego tema or pesa esamadwa re workers seche makoro wachin jatich mar county government Masiaya or county government Mahoma Bay poko chul 2 months ingeni ketho economy makanyo nikati kada jok landlord kunde magedaki okuyud pesa mondo gen lete magitimo you've iketho gik mang'eny kabisa in the whole system. Ntine jitino madhi school mag nyithi jogo matiyo kanyo pesa mobedo remitted health kata insurance mag jotich go. The whole system, when those monies delay can just one thing, it erode a whole system, erode the economy, duke loro, rent si loro niji nikech pesa oleo. Koro the best thing, watch mar national government delay pesa ma county government should be something of the past. And no kono brama bit kai no discuss again. Just send the money if you have the money. Don't hold the money for no benefit. Nikech koro watch ne euro pesa bank 2 months. Ingin kada chunyi be chido ko tijino. Koro problems dire mangai taparonim ok snippets. We can sometimes blame. Kata watch margin watch mag police brutality. I think it's a global problem. Sometimes when we just blame it on the president, and we know no one could IG my independent. One called IPOAMA should be doing their work. One called police, OCS Ma Central Police Station, should be managing that station. So sometimes when we blame it on the chief executive of the country, sometimes it is too much. Okwame this independent. One parliament, put that government accountable. We don't just help, blame. We look at things in depth. Problem, why address the root cause of the problem. Key demonstration, what will I say? Key demonstration. If it is not peaceful, the police must be in place to protect lives and property.
And businesses.